Hey guys, Ellie's friend 468 here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the RPG, aka rocket launcher, from Fortnite Battle Royale. I don't know if it's in Save the World. Probably is. There's a ton of girls and guns in Save the World. I just wanted to let you know, I do stream Fortnite pretty much every day. So, get your marker, and let's begin. So, for the first part, we're going to start with the barrel. I need this to like not be here. So,
I just found a hat.
You're going to start from here.
Well, no, like
make two dots.
That's it. If your minigun overheats, all you have to do is switch to another gun and then switch back, and it's not overheated anymore.
So, once you make two dots, you're going to go down diagonally with both of them until they almost touch.
When does the game end?
But then make sure they don't touch, because there's a little thing that goes like this. It's like a little nose. That's actually not the barrel, that's the rocket. This is the gun. This part is the gun. This is just the rocket. Okay, so for the next part, we're gonna start from the dot that we made and go down a little bit. On the bottom side, you might have to go a little bit farther up. Now we're gonna make the face on the barrel. So start at the top here and make a little thing here for the eye. Then if you make a circle there, you can make the pupil. Kind of sounds like people. Then if you go here and down a little bit, you can make a little, like almost half of a triangle. Then you're going to make a line from the tip to the bottom. Then you make lines in between for the teeth. So next we're going to finish the rocket. So from this, you're going to go straight for about an inch. Then once you make it here, go in a little bit. Then you can finish off for about another inch.
I just want to fight you. You want to go to a normal
Next, we're going to make a line that joins those two together. Like that. Then we're going to make a little curve line that goes straight and then down. Then same here. Straight and then up though. That one will go up. So once you have that, we're going to do the next part. So this is going to go up like this, and this is going to go a little bit more out. Then from here, you're going to make a line down. Like that. Then a little bit farther this way and down. And then from this line that you made, just keep going. Then once you go the amount that you want, which is about this, you're going to go down a little bit and then in about half of an inch. And if you do want to use a ruler to make the lines straighter, go ahead. Nobody's judging. Anything you can do to make it look good. Then this line will curve in a little bit and then out. Then we will connect with the curve. And just a a heads up, we will do details later in the video. So from this that you made, you're just going to do a straight line, maybe a little bit down, for about an inch or 2 inches, or an inch and a half, something like that. Then from where you stopped, you're going to go up diagonally, then from there up straight, and then a curvy line about an inch, and then this will be a little bit wavy and up. Then a straight line to the side, and a straight line down, then a straight line to the side, very short, then a straight line up, very short, then a straight line to the side, very short, and then back down. Whew, a lot of short lines. Then from this, you're going to make a curve. So it goes like around, kind of like a C, or backwards C. Then you're going to take that line and just go straight for about 1 inch. Then go down and curve. Then straight down, straight to the side. And now this is the trigger area. Now before we do this part, I want you to go back up to this thing right here and make a line straight across for 2.5 inches or so. Then from that, you're just going to go straight down for as long as you want your handle to be. This is going to be almost like a pistol, except it's connected to a larger part, which is really cool. I think it's really cool. Then you're going to make a little curvy line like this, and then back down to match up with this, and then a curvy line to connect. Okay, so once you've done that, we're going to go back up to the top area here. And from this last line that we did, we're going to make a straight one. Like this, and then this will curve down a little bit. Keep going. And then up a little bit. So this will go for about 4 inches. One second, let me get a ruler and I'll show you guys the measurement. Well, never mind. We won't do that. I'm just going to straighten this line out. Alright, for this is going to be the part that you put on your shoulder to hold it steady. So it's kind of like an oval. So you're going to like start the oval but then stop. Then we'll go back down here. And this will go up a little bit and to the side and then up and straight till it's right here, till it matches up with this straight area. Then it's going to curve up like this, straight line till it matches up with that. Then we're going to finish this. It's going to go down and then back up. Alright, for the next thing we're going to do is right up here. So we have this straight line here, and we're just going to go to where this little curvy thing ends. And it's going to go straight up and curve a tiny bit, but make sure it's curvy, not straight. Not straight like this. Then we're going to go up in an angle, curve, down in an angle, curve, and back down. So, once you have that, we're going to go into the details. So, right here in this area where these two match, we're just going to make a line there. Because this area is black, and this area is more woodish. Then we're going to make a line right here. And then right here, we're going to make a line like this. Then color that in. Kind of for like a shadow a bit, I guess. And then if you go to this,
Sam, this is my last one.
From this corner down to this corner, you're going to make a line. And then from that, you're going to make a curvy line like this. Oops, sorry. And you're going to make 4 of those. Like that. Then we're going to make the trigger. So right here where you made this pistol area, you're going to make like a boxy kind of thing. Then you're going to make the trigger, which is just like that. It's just a little black thing. Then for some grips, where we're right here, we're going to go up a little bit and make a line like that. Then up, so it's kind of like a window. And then make some lines in it. Then we're going to do the same thing right here. So we're going to make a line like this. Then a window, but it's a bit taller. Then some lines inside. And yeah, guys, that is how you make
I gotta go.
or draw
You see the options? Are you on?
the RPG from Fortnite.
Which options? That's all you do.
Fortnite. Fortnite. We'll just go with it. Fortnite.
No. It's not.
Fort.
You're in the game, right?
Hold on, let me just do this.
Now push options.
Fortnite. So guys, if you have any other suggestions for like other things I should do a drawing tutorial of, make sure to put those down in the comments. And if you do want to see more Fortnite drawing tutorials, then give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.